That's it. Prepare to be minimized.
What are you talking about there, kiddo?
Your life is funded by some Middle Eastern two-photon microscope and a place to stay in Riyadh for the winter. Well, that explains those puzzling camel races.
Hey, what is it? You have to say for yourself.
Without you to make the case for
Huh?
the physics department, the task will fall to people like Leonard. Are you trying to scare me?
I
If you're succeeding,
find that hard to believe.
well, then prepare to be terrified. If you're
What else happened today?
This year's donations might go to, say, the geology department. Oh dear, not the dirt people.
No? You got nothing to say to Dada? Oh, sorry, I made you throw up in your mouth a little, huh?
That's not happening.
And nudge time begins. I don't think you're really that upset, are you? How upset are you? Hmm?
Little shoulder action
Well,
there.
what is yeah. Hey, cover that up.
Getting too big for her. 0 to 3s. What do you think, Nudge? What is it?
So did you put new batteries in this?